Good morning. I basically almost gone through it, but I'm riding through, of all things, a cemetery. I just up and decided to cut through here. There's a trail that I'm going to, so we'll go around to the trail. I won't take you through the cemetery. I'll spare you that. I mean, I could, but I don't know, you might not like the idea. Although there's people that walk through here. You're just not allowed to bring your dog in here. Of course, that's kind of makes sense because, I mean, being the fact that, you know, it's a cemetery, they probably don't want dogs doing a little business on the graves. Anyway, I believe I can go down this way and hit the trail. There's a trail down here that I haven't been on in, I don't know, 4 or 5 years at least. So I was going to take you down here and we'll ride on this new part. I say new part. This trail and see something different. I don't know, kind of thought it'd be neat, and I just cut through the cemetery. I don't know. I guess it's kind of weird to ride through the cemetery. But looking to make sure there's nobody coming because I'm going to pull out on the road on a short stretch here, probably, I don't know, 20 yards maybe. And then we'll get on the trail and you won't have to listen to me. You know, I mean, you'll listen to me, but you don't have to see my bumper. Morning. I don't think that girl knew what to think. I was talking to the camera when I pulled around the corner, but oh well. If she can't figure out I was on camera and talking to the camera, that's not my problem. Anyway, let's turn this thing around. Smack my mirror and it's facing me now, which does absolutely no good.